The Real Brokerage is revolutionizing the residential real estate agency by pairing technology with the guidance of an agent-led experience. And with me is Michelle Ressler, who is the CFO of the Real Brokerage, and also Tim Macy, an agent and the growth leader with the company as well. So Michelle, let's start with you. So you're using this tech-enabled real estate brokerage. It's traded here at the NASDAQ, REAX, and you're currently in 46 states, 3 Canadian provinces as well. You've had quite a bit of growth lately. I mean, explain the platform and how it works exactly.
Yeah, I mean, we're really proud of the technology we've built. It's one of a kind in the industry and completely proprietary. If you look at the real estate industry, it's the largest asset class and yet has seen very little innovation. It's riddled with paper and manual processes. So Real's technology is a cloud-based platform. It's an operating system that enables our agents to do everything from transaction management and compliance to communicating with their broker, real-time deposits at the closing table, which allows us to also be the fastest paying brokerage in the industry, as well as build all of their marketing materials to brand their business, and 24/7 tech support, and a financial dashboard. We offer a lot. A financial dashboard that offers them key metrics into their business at all times. Through these tools, we enable our agents to focus on what really matters, which is building their business. We have an incredibly collaborative community. Our agents have less noise, less admin, and they're able to build relationships with one another, strengthen the relationships with their clients, which in turn makes them more successful. We empower our agents through our technology with leadership, success, and prosperity.
Now, Michelle, I didn't realize, but you're the fastest growing real estate tech company, right, in the U.S.? So what do you attribute that success to, and how do you see things going forward?
Yeah, it's exciting to call yourself the fastest growing publicly traded brokerage in America. We've been around since 2014, but when we went public, our entire growth trajectory changed. So in 2022, we grew revenue by 212% to $381 million, and agent count by 118% in a contracting market. We attribute this to the power of our platform and the buzz that we're now generating in the agent community. It's not only because of our better economics, our state-of-the-art technology, our incredible culture, but it's also because we're a growing company that's demonstrating integrity. I think it's really simple. Like, we are inspiring confidence in our agents, and through that, they're creating ideal morals and standards to seamlessly transact and effortlessly interact with their clients. It's something that's very rare that other companies aren't doing, and it's just, again, creating a buzz. Agents want to be a part of something good. They want to be a part of a culture where they feel welcomed and they feel like they're making a contribution, and we think that's why they're joining us. It's very simple.
And it sounds like they're having some success as well.
And I think too, you mentioned growth. Like, growth is exciting. Like, just getting bigger and higher numbers is awesome. But what I get most inspired about is the quality of people we've grown with. Like, the quality of agents that are coming to join our company has been amazing.
So you're one of the top agents at a Real Brokerage, fastest growing publicly traded real estate brokerage firm, which we learned, which was amazing. Tell us about your business. What market do you cover? Where do you work, Tim?
Yeah, so I'm in San Antonio, and what's great about Real is that we kind of all work as one big company, and so we have agents all over the country and in Canada. And so it's been a ton of fun to build a network here at Real.
Yeah. How does it help to talk to other agents in other parts of the country? What do you learn?
Yeah, so what's fun is, like, Ed's in New Jersey, and I'm in San Antonio, and you'll find out, like, what Ed's doing in New Jersey to help build his business, and then I could take it and do things in San Antonio that maybe people in my market aren't doing. And so by collaborating with agents in these different parts of the country, that agents are doing things that are unique in their markets, that a lot of our people get to take and implement it in their own markets.
Yeah. And interesting. So there's also like a sponsorship program, right?
Yeah.
If somebody is interested in joining. So, I mean, what would you say to somebody potentially who's interested in becoming part of the Real Brokerage, Ed?
If you're looking for a family and a place to collaborate over compete, then this is definitely one of those areas to excel your business, scale your life to that next level. I say that very confidently because that's exactly the scenario and the situation with my life. Switching over to this brokerage, seeing the growth in personal business, and so on and so forth, I've seen the evolution. So if someone's looking to collaborate over compete with others, that's the place.
Okay.
Well, it's funny because they say cloud-based, and you immediately think like less connection if you're not connected. But what you find is that you actually get more connection because there's more people, and you can find more people that are like you and find your tribe in a cloud-based environment instead of like a office-based environment.
Yeah, interesting. And then, of course, last year was a bad year for
Yeah.
real estate. We saw mortgage rates about double.
Yeah.
How do you see the real estate, residential, even commercial, or do you deal with just residential?
So it's mostly residential, and I
Okay.
would say like the big thing both for brokerage and agents is efficiency.
Okay.
And so more and more like clients, consumers, they want less friction in the transaction. They want less friction in the search. They want less friction everywhere. I mean, we're used to hitting a button on Amazon and our package arrives, the next morning. And so we're looking for the same type of thing in real estate. And so I can tell you as agents in our business, we're trying to make it more efficient. And then being at a company that's also trying to make it more efficient definitely keeps things moving in the right direction.
What I've noticed is that over the past few years now, the rental market has been very hot,
Yeah.
especially in New Jersey. So one thing that my team and I specialize in are apartment complexes. And we work with developers that build these brand new apartment complexes, and we're noticing the younger demographic renting over buying because it's easier, because it's simpler, it's done for you, it's efficient, as Tim is saying.
You have more flexibility in your life if
Absolutely.
you're renting.
Everything's
so
done for you
it's
in a
appealing.
sense,
Yeah.
right? So it's very appealing. It's a big trend right now, at least in the tri-state area from what I've noticed.
Yeah.
But I feel like that's got its own issues, right?
Yeah.
If we have more
Yes.
people
Yeah.
renting and less people owning.
Big time.
Yeah.
Lots of apartment complexes being built left and right. So new construction, but everything is on the rise, up and down. So, but
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Ed and Tim. Thanks.
thank you.